Hello, today we present the blog Pet Peeves. My name is Jennyfer Agudelp. One of my pet peeves is when my neighbors play music super late and night. They usually you it often it bothers me too much because you have to rest, and if that wasn't enough, they also wake you up you music. The worst thing is that nobody does anything. Another of my pet peeves is when people eat with their mouths open. I don't know if they do it to annoy, but it is extremely and comfortable. Besides the fact that it represents little education. And my last pet peeve is when they interrupt you to speak every so often, and they don't let you finish it to run since they don't even apply the ice. It usually happens to me often. Thank you.